Hi, what if we need such file annual enterprise survey but it has such extension .csv? How to download it to Excel? If I open this file, I can see that all the data are by columns, but is not in the format that requires for calculating in Excel. How to do this properly, correctly, and very fast? So, for this, we have to go to Data. After that, there are two options. There is search market data, so we should press on it. After that, choose from file, and here the second option, from CSV. Click on it. After downloading my file, I can see that Excel gives me such window where I can choose or fix something if I want, but I do not need anything to delete or anything else. I have to press load, and my file will appear up here. Now I have all data I need. I have to make some operations with them, calculate or everything that Excel can do. The same you can do for transforming your data to PDF format or vice versa from PDF to Excel. But you have to mention that in PDF all your data must be in tables or columns, and these pictures should be very precise for correct transforming. And one more feature I would like to show you is how to transform such kind of data. For example, you have made copy paste of such data in your Excel sheet, and it's not convenient for you to make this transformation. You can see that pizza is been written in this line, after that some space, the data, again the data, how to transform it in different columns. So for this we have such function that is called in data type, in data tab, text to columns. So for this we have to select one line. Let's select the fifth one. After that, press text to columns. You can see Excel already have shown us the window where it's preview of selected data. After that, clicking on next, next, again next, we can point here some format, finish. Now all data are transferred in by separate columns. We can do the same operation with other rows by just clicking on them. After that, go again to data, text to columns, next, next, finish. Now we can delete unnecessary data for us. Delete. This we also will delete to format this table a little bit. And now we have all we needed. Well, I hope this lesson was very useful. Subscribe to my channel, use it at your practice. Until the next time, bye bye.